my bed. Ain't gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look too thirsty. Put your drink, got me feeling where you at. Make you feel love. Then it gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Then it gotta be.
Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be picking the winner for the January monthly giveaway. So if you want to see if you won, then just keep on watching. Okay, I'm currently at my computer about to pick the giveaway winner, so I'm going to turn my camera around and show you guys how I do it. Okay, so this is the video. I'm going to copy the link, and then I'm going to come up here, and then I'm going to put the link here, and I'm going to filter duplicate users and get the comments. And then we're just gonna press start. I think I pressed the wrong button. I think I was supposed to press this start. Yep. And that is the winner. So congratulations, Jenny Lynn. I will message you before I post this video, and thank you for being a subscriber and supporting my channel. So that is who won the giveaway. Congratulations again, and yeah, hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed, having an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Can
you play that again?
Give me some fire, baby.